Warm greetings to you all from the Casa Curious team. Watch as we demonstrate the stepwise approach to venepuncture, also known as blood extraction. Don't feel like you're missing out on practical skills. Get one up by watching this video to the end as we explain the procedure and give you some tips. Venepuncture. Start off by introducing yourself to the patient, then confirm the patient's identity, explain the procedure, and always obtain verbal consent. Wash your hands and sanitize with isopropyl. Position the patient appropriately. Have them sit comfortably. If you cannot clearly see the vein, try to find a palpable vein. Apply the tourniquet, then identify the vein. The best location is usually at the cubital fossa. Clean the site with the wipe, beginning centrally and moving outwards. As the sterilizing solution dries, remove the needle and syringe from the packing and connect. Unsheath the needle. Ask the patient to inhale deeply as you insert the needle, keeping the bevel up at a 30-degree angle. Hold the syringe steady and withdraw the plunger slowly until the required amount of blood is obtained. Release the tourniquet. Remove the needle, holding cotton wool to the puncture site as you secure it with micropore. Clean the patient's arm of any blood that may have dropped. If you have found this video to be informative, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching.